A very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Thank you so much. I am Kolo Jok. I'm the CDO of this sub-county. And today, I've come to help us. We learn how to solve conflicts in the society. We have got to realize that in this society, we have a lot of conflicts taking place, but we have failed to solve those conflicts. I request, as I move on, Nana will first come and help me here. You're most welcome, Mommy.
Thank you.
Now, as I've said, we are looking at conflict resolution. Now, we want to learn about conflict resolution skills. Here, I want to tell you that when we resolve disputes fairly, not the way we are doing here. Mose, you're most welcome. You're most welcome. Have a seat there. Have a seat. Now, Mose, I've said today we are learning conflict resolution. As you see, we have realized that in this community, there are many conflicts, but people fail to what? To solve them. People think the better way of solving conflict is to fight. Now, I want to tell you that when we resolve disputes fairly, we cannot only help others, but we grow ourselves. Now, remember what Roger said in 1951. He said that self-actualization helps us become the best version of ourselves. We people of this Masoli village, we should become the best version of ourselves by solving the conflict that is amidst us.
It's very true, sir.
Yes,
That's
please.
Very true.
Yes, okay. Do you have something to say?
What is your name?
I'm Kolo Jok.
Now, Mr. Ojok, people, for me, what I knew, that conflicts, we solve them in a harsh way. When someone comes, I just slap you.
Yes, I do. Very right. Thank you.
Now, I don't know, do you have any way of solving conflicts?
Thank you so much. That is what has been happening, and that is what we have been thinking of, and that is what we know, that the better way of solving conflict is what? By fighting. But I can tell you that there are many better ways of solving conflict. We shall look into that. Any other?
Need to have something to say.
Yes, please.
Many people fight because they don't listen to each other. But for me, I think empathy and fairness can help in those situations.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Now, can we listen? Can we listen?
I believe that people should
She has
listen
spoken
to
it
me.
all. I want to tell you that. Thank you, Mama. I want to tell you that when there are conflicts, we need to call people, those people who are quarreling, we sit them down. Okay? We listen to both sides.
Very right.
Okay? And we divide equally. Okay? You don't need to take sides. You get? I beg to end here. Thank you so much. But I will tell you that self-actualization means realizing a better version of yourself and what? Your potential. Now, by practicing mediation, as I've told you that you don't need to quarrel. You don't need to join the what? The quarrel. You need to settle people down. You need to do what we call mediation. Okay? You listen to both sides. You get? By doing that, we shall be better people. We shall make our village the best. Thank you so much. Thanks for the hospitality. I believe the next time when I'm coming, I'll come to jubilate.
You're always like that.
Thank you so much.
Oh. Mama Chirabo. Stop. What are you doing in my land?
This is not your land.
What?
This is my land.
Your land is from the other side.
My land comes from that side.
This is
My
my
land
land.
comes from
This
that
is the land. My
land
son bought
comes
for my
from this side.
children. No.
It's
This is
from
my
the other side to
land.
this side.
Madam, this is
This
my
is not
land.
your portion.
This is my land. I should do it from the other side.
I
Outside.
have been
No.
saying your kids can
No,
be
no,
this
no,
is not
no.
your land.
Your land is mine.
You beat her.
Let us first speak.
What is the problem?
This place doesn't belong here. This is my portion.
You can't do this while fighting. We cannot agree while fighting.
This is not our
Let us
portion. This is my land. This is my land.
No.
Let us first speak.
Let them fight.
In our workshop,
Let us
we
first
learned
speak.
that in a conflict, we are supposed to listen to two parties. So let us listen with empathy. Is it okay? Mama Chiraba, is it okay?
No.
Mama Chiraba, please, let us listen to you, Mama Chiraba, with respect.
With respect, this is my land. I inherited it from my parents.
Let us
It
sit down
comes from the other side. It comes from
We are on your side. We are on your side.
No.
We are on your side.
When did he buy the land for you?
We have an agreement.
What agreement? This is my land. This is my land.
Calm down. Mama Chilabo, and please, we are old people, so we don't need to fight. To solve a problem of this conflict, it does not need fighting. For us to agree, we don't need to fight. We have to sit down and agree on something. I know you are owning this land due to family ties. Yes? And when you start fighting, then what is that? We are old enough. When our children see us fighting, what will they do? Yes? Let us have empathy and fairness. Okay?
Can we please sit down and sort this issue?
Okay, let us sit down.
Good afternoon, members of this community. I hope we have now come down from what happened. Since we listened to each person's part, how about we divide this land equally? You get a side. Because, madam, you will get your side equally. Also, she will get her side equally. Please, let us try to understand.
You will lose life. You want your ancestors to come back.
They will protect me. They will protect you. Please, let us try to listen and
You
understand.
may lose life for nothing.
If your neighbor has accepted, how about you? Cause peace in this community, please.
I don't want. My land is my land.
But you are going to remain with your land.
You will still remain with your
we
land.
are taking
Just
with equally?
an addition. Yes, equally.
You promise equally.
Today afternoon at 4 p.m. we are going to divide the land equally. Yes. Where is my tape measure? Make sure we bring it. Yes.
Okay,
you send that young
I'm
boy.
okay with it.
Yes. This is how things should be done. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes.
Thank you for your kind heart.
Now we should have a one on one.
You stand up.
You try and show some, love, peace. Thank you very much for listening, members of this community. And if anything similar happens, please, let us listen to each other with empathy and fairness.
You know, teacher, now I have land.
Fighting
We shall always
resolve.
Thank you. Thank you. I love this
We
community.
not repeat this mistake again.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Can't you think of it? I would have joined that fight before this workshop. Before I came to the realization that we must actually listen to both sides. Now I've realized that I can now be a leader. I can now lead people because I can now listen to other people's views. That it is not fully about me, but it is about each other. That is true.
Yes. Now I feel empathy in you. Helping others, solving disputes. Really, I feel understanding, and my personality is being shaped.
Wow.
That is self-actualization. By helping others, realizing fairness, trust, you have shaped your personality.
So, self-actualization, as Rogers 1955 explained, helps adults to realize their potential through adult education. Through adult education workshops, learners grow in empathy, fairness, and trust, which reshapes their personality and prepares them for community leadership.